Hello everyone! Are you wondering what Demigirl means? Let's explore. Demigirl is a gender identity that describes someone who partially, but not fully, identifies as female. Like the demiboy identity, a demigirl might feel a significant connection to being female, but also experience elements of another gender or feel that their gender identity is not entirely aligned with traditional femininity. This identity falls within the non-binary spectrum, providing a way to describe a gender experience that is not exclusively female but still includes a strong connection to femaleness. Demigirl is a recognition of the fluidity and complexity of gender, where one's identity is partly female but also includes other dimensions. In essence, being a demigirl is about having a partial connection to femininity, while also embracing other aspects of gender identity. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.